Groupon has updated its pricing. Looks like it's going to be in the range of $16 to $18 a share, but the valuations come down quite a bit from what it originally thought it was going to be at. I'm with Bob McCooey. You are in charge of new listings here at NASDAQ. Yes, so let's talk about Groupon because there's so much buzz and so much following on this company.
It is a brand name. They've created the brand name. They are the Kleenex of the deal space. And it's very exciting to have them come to market. They certainly will be one of the largest offerings of the year, even at the numbers that they're talking about. And we're also talking about the fact that they put numbers in today before even going on the road. And as you're well aware, as the roadshow progresses, those numbers could quite possibly change one way or the other. As a private company, I think that's very interesting what's happened with these private markets. A lot of these, the pegging of the valuations of these private companies, whether earlier this year it was Pandora, LinkedIn, or now Groupon and Zynga, have been based upon these private market transactions in very illiquid markets with small numbers of shares trading, and then suddenly you get valuations being extracted from those, and then now expectations set very high, and when the company finally goes through the process with their bankers and finally decides how much money they want to raise, the number's different, and suddenly everyone says, well, why is this different? Well, when you have a small number of shares in a private market traded, the liquidity is not there, and so therefore we're not so sure that that's the best gauge of what the overall interest should be. Let's wait until the stock is traded in the public markets, and we'll see where the valuation settles in. There's also beginning to be a shift from a buyer's strike that we saw in August to a buyer's desire for beta in their alpha in their portfolios in the fourth quarter, because they need that performance. They're now going to start chasing performance, and they need the product to be able to do that, and the product is in the IPO market.